social media. Look at this overall you daily users for social media 3.5 billions. Look at this total population of the world and look at this social media 3.5 billion people. These people who are not using are from people who don't have access to phones, people who are not educated, people who are in remote places who don't have internet. So this population is what you would be selling 90% of your products to. This population you would be spending or you will be interfacing or you will be engaging with them for social needs. To talk about diarrhea, to talk about education, to talk about hand wash, not about selling products for social causes. So this is, I think last time we had given that case study for piggy banking, how Coca-Cola had taken diarrhea medicines. So this is that population. You understood? So this is generally for, I would say, social cause. But your commercial cause, this is what it is. 3.5 billion active users on a daily basis. So next you have another important. How much time do they spend? 3 hours. 3 hours. Okay. It's a lot of awake time that is being spent on social network and messaging. And impact of positive customer experience 71%. Okay. By when one person reads that the other person has had positive engagement. So this goes on, that impact cascades. The next person also feels the same way, and then their engagement becomes more and more productive. Okay. And building brand 49%, close to 50%. The consumers depend on influencers recommendation on social media to buy their brands. See this, and this they wouldn't have done this for specialized products. They would have done it for all products. Okay. But my argument is, if it is a specialized product, the more specialized the product is, the more will be the influence of the influencers to buy the product. For example, for shirts, t-shirts or accessories, the influence will be much lesser. Whereas for products like gadgets, telephones, computers, then cameras, lenses, it will be much more. The more technical the product, the more will be the influence by the influencer. Right. So next is the power of social media. So they say 73% of marketers, people who are spending money, believe social media marketing has been somewhat effective or very effective. So in a 5-point scale, they have given either 5 or 4. In a 7-point scale, they have even given 7 or 6, which is extremely good. So with this, we have done with brand management, and the syllabus is complete. I will be giving you all a questionnaire for brand management, 6th module, and for each module I have already given question bank. So kindly prepare that. This time you don't know what kind of exams we are going to have. Again, I reiterate, these question banks will be your assessment point for internal assessments, and hence soon after you finish your project work, start working on these things. Thank you very much, and I hope this is my first experience that the entire 6 modules is being taught online. So I don't know how effective it had been. I would have definitely been more thrilled to have you all face to face, so that I could have explained more case studies. We would have had more activities in the class to do templates of brands, and then comparisons, and a whole lot of things we would have done. But under the given circumstances, let us hope that things turn for the better. Thank you very much.